Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace the front bumper. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2008 all the way up to 2020. To start, lift up the front hood and first you'll have to remove two 10mm screws. One will be right here and the other one will be right here on the other side. Okay, once you have these two screws out, next thing you'll want to remove are two plastic trim screws. So one is here and the other one is here on the other side. So to remove those you want to pry them underneath with a flat screwdriver or something similar, and once you have it a bit out you can try pulling it out with your fingers, or if you can't you can just use your pliers to gently completely remove it. These should be reusable. Sometimes these like to break, but anyways, this is how you remove them, so just pry the middle part out. Okay, next thing to do would be to get under the van, and you'll have four trim screws. Try to zoom it out, I'll show you the location. Okay, so you see this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are also plastic screws, and you also have to just pretty much pry them out with pliers or a flat screwdriver or something similar. Okay, so I will show you how I will remove mine. So I will just use a flat screwdriver, just pretty much pry it out. And this is how they look. So they're quite long, but just pry it through here and push down and they will just pop out. Okay, so these are the ones. Now next thing you will do, you will get to the side of the vehicle and you will have two Phillips screws to remove. One will be right here and the other one will be right here. So what you want to do, you want to start the car and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. That way the tire will not be on your way to remove those screws. Okay, if these screws are really rusted, you can use a bit of WD-40 to make your life easier, and yeah, just unscrew these guys, and you will want to do the same on the other side as well. Okay, so the next thing to remove would be a 10mm screw which is holding the bumper and the fender together, and it's positioned right here from underneath. So this is how it's going. So what you want to do, you want to use your extension or something, and you want to just place it on top of it and remove this one. Okay, so this is the screw. It was positioned just here, like I said. And now you have to do all the same on the other side. So two Phillips screws and one 10mm screw here. Okay, on the other side you'll want to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left side, so you get space to work here. So I got all my screws out and now there is pretty much nothing else holding this bumper. Okay, so at this point your bumper still might feel tight, but there is nothing holding it anymore actually. So you want to grab it here and just pull it straight towards yourself gently so you don't break anything, and it should just pop out on both of the sides. You can see mine is completely loose, and I'll just have to do the same thing on the other side. So just pull it straight out here. You can see it's separating completely, and then pull it straight towards myself. Now I'll have to stop recording. I'll have to use both of my hands because I don't want to break any pins or anything, but this is how you do it. So you just want to first pull it towards yourself here to the side, and then you want to grab the bumper at the front and pull it straight towards yourself. Okay, so I've got my bumper down, so I will quickly show you one more time this side. So like I said, you have to pull it to the side first, and you'll have these clips on the bumper here that actually go inside these holes here, and once you get this part out then you can pull it towards yourself. So make sure you don't break this these plastic clips. But yeah, it's pretty easy to remove a bumper on Dodge minivan. Okay, and this is how you remove the front bumper from a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you have any questions, please comment in the section below this video and I will do my best to respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.